Hey there, homeowners. Are you tired of the thought of your beautiful yard turning into a construction zone just to replace a sewer line? Well, I've got some game-changing news for you. Forget the back-breaking digging and say hello to Trenchless sewer solutions. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is trenchless sewer replacement? It's a modern method that lets us replace your sewer lines without the need for major excavation. That's right, no more tearing up your meticulously maintained landscaping and no more damaging your driveway. Let me tell you how it works. First off, trenchless technology uses advanced machinery to create a new sewer line right inside the old one. There are two primary methods: pipe bursting and pipelining. Both of these methods are designed to be minimally invasive. With pipe bursting, a special machine breaks apart the old pipe while simultaneously pulling the new pipe into place. On the other hand, pipelining involves inserting a flexible liner coated with resin into the existing pipe. This resin hardens and forms a brand new pipe within the old one. Cool, right? But the benefits don't stop there. Trenchless sewer replacements are not only quicker, but also of better quality and longer lasting than traditional methods. Conventional digging can take days or even weeks, while a trenchless approach can often be completed in just a day or two. Imagine that. Less disruption to your life and more time enjoying your home. And let's talk about cost effectiveness. While the upfront cost might be similar or even slightly higher than traditional methods, you save big on restoring your property. No need to replant your garden or repave your driveway. Think of all the headaches you'll avoid. Environmentally speaking, trenchless methods are also a win. Less digging means less soil displacement, less pollution and less waste. It's a green choice that benefits both you and the environment. So next time you hear about sewer line issues, don't stress out about your yard turning into a mess. Call John's router. Remember, trenchless sewer solutions are here to save the day. Fast, efficient, and minimally disruptive. What's not to love? If you are in need of sewer repairs, call John's router, your local 5-stars rated trenchless expert. John is committed to keeping your home's plumbing in top shape. Thanks for watching and see you next time.